Hey guys, welcome to Calm Facts. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of topics. With ChatGPT, businesses can automate customer service, generate content, and even create chatbots that can hold natural-sounding conversations. Additionally, the model can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, making it a versatile tool for various industries. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help organizations save time and money and improve customer experience. Whether you're looking to automate customer service, generate content, or create chatbots, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. It could be a game changer for various industries. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get instant notification of the latest videos. Here are 5 ideas for your own AI grift with ChatGPT. Number 5. How to make money with ChatGPT. Making money with ChatGPT can be done in a variety of ways. One way is by using the model to automate customer service for businesses. ChatGPT can be trained to answer frequently asked questions and provide helpful information to customers, freeing human customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content for websites or social media. The model can be trained to write articles, blog posts, and social media updates, allowing businesses to save time and resources on content creation. ChatGPT can generate product descriptions, making it easier for e-commerce businesses to list their products online. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots for various applications, such as online gaming, virtual assistants, or healthcare. As a result, you can monetize these chatbots through advertising or by charging for the use of the chatbot. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used in various ways to make money, including automation, content creation, and chatbot development. Number 4. What are the drawbacks of AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly advancing technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. But it also has several drawbacks. One of the main drawbacks is a potential for job loss. As AI systems become more advanced, they may be able to perform tasks previously done by humans. This could lead to significant job displacement, particularly in the manufacturing and customer service industries. Another drawback of AI is the potential for bias. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. So if the data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. This can lead to unfair decisions, particularly in hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another drawback of AI is its need for more human-like decision-making ability. AI systems rely on pre-programmed instructions and data to make decisions, which could lead to a lack of flexibility and judgment in certain situations. Additionally, AI systems can be vulnerable to hacking and other cyber attacks, which could lead to serious security breaches. Lastly, AI systems can raise ethical concerns, particularly when it comes to issues such as privacy, autonomy, and accountability. As AI systems become more advanced and integrated into our daily lives, it will be important to ensure that they are developed in a way that respects and protects our rights and values. While AI can bring many benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential drawbacks and take steps to mitigate them. Number 3. Will AI replace humans? Artificial intelligence, AI, can automate many tasks previously done by humans, and it will likely continue to do so in the future. However, AI will only partially replace humans. While AI systems can perform specific tasks more efficiently than humans, they need more creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills that humans possess. Additionally, AI systems require human oversight and maintenance to function properly. Therefore, AI will augment human capabilities rather than replace them. Moreover, there are many areas where human expertise and judgment are crucial, and it's hard to be replicated by AI, such as in fields like healthcare, education, and creative industries. In these areas, the human touch is essential, and AI can only be used as a tool to aid and assist humans. In summary, while AI has the potential to automate many tasks and make them more efficient, it is likely to replace humans partially. AI will likely work alongside humans to augment their abilities and improve productivity. Number 2. What is technological singularity? The technological singularity is a theoretical point in the future when artificial intelligence, AI, surpasses human intelligence and can improve itself at an exponential rate. This would lead to a rapid and uncontrollable acceleration of technological progress, resulting in a fundamental change in human civilization. The singularity is often associated with the idea that machines will become capable of recursive self-improvement, leading to an intelligence explosion and a superintelligence far beyond human capabilities. Proponents of singularity argue that it has the potential to solve many of humanity's problems, such as poverty, disease, and environmental degradation. In contrast, critics argue that it could lead to unforeseen consequences, such as the displacement of human labor, loss of privacy, and even existential risks. The concept of singularity is still considered a theoretical future event, and it's still being determined when or if it will happen. However, with the rapid advancements in AI and other technologies, it's important to consider the potential implications of such an event and to develop strategies to mitigate potential risks. Number 1. Ways to integrate AI into an app. There are several ways to integrate AI into an app, depending on the specific use case and the desired outcome. Some ways to integrate AI into an app include natural language processing, NLP. AI can be used to understand and respond to user input in natural language, such as through a chatbot or virtual assistant. Computer vision. AI can be used to analyze and understand images and videos, such as through object recognition or facial recognition. Predictive modeling. AI can be used to analyze data and make predictions, such as personalized recommendations or fraud detection. Machine learning. AI can be used to learn from data and improve performance over time, such as through self-driving cars or speech recognition. Robotics. AI can be used to control and program robots, such as drones or autonomous vehicles. Anomaly detection. AI can be used to identify patterns and detect outliers, like in fraud detection or network security. Personalization. AI can be used to provide personalized experiences for users, such as in e-commerce or music streaming apps. Overall, there are many ways to integrate AI into an app, and the choice of the best approach will depend on the specific use case and the desired outcome. I hope you'll get exciting and valuable information about AI grift with ChatGPT. You guys are all truly amazing, and I appreciate every last one of you watching. I mean that. And I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. And as always, I will see you again very soon.